6. My name is teacher Olvari Gabriel Kimario. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank Walmona School for helping us to give this program of video teaching. We have missed you a lot, almost 2 months, but the school has provided you opportunity of learning through watching the video. Today, I'm going to teach you machine. Back in class 5, we learned machine and we learned on simple machine. What is machine? Machine is any device that simplifies work. Machine is any device that simplifies work. We have two types of machine. The first one is simple machine and the second one is complex machine. The simple machine we learned in class 5. We said that we have the 6 types of simple machine. The first one is levers. The second one is slopes. We have the wedges. We have the screw. We have the wheel and axle. And we have the pulley. These one are the types of simple machine in which we learned them in class 5. And each type of simple machine here has got its examples. There at home we have different simple machines in which my pupils you can observe them and show them to your parents. In class 6 now we are going to learn on complex machine. As we said that we have the 2 types of machine, which is simple machine and complex machine. In class 6 we are going to deal with complex machine. What is complex machine, my people? We say that complex machine is a type of machine which comprises of 2 or more simple machines. So when you find any machine which has more than 2 simple machines, that we consider it as a complex machine. We have several examples of complex machine which are found at home, at school, and everywhere. For me, I've indicated for you few complex machines which are seen at school and at home. I have the cars, we have the bicycles, we have the computer, and the sewing machine. Inside this machine, you will find more than 2 simple machine, which now in the combination we call it a complex machine. Here I have a camera. This one is a complex machine. What are the simple machines which are found inside this camera? The first one we may say the screw, because you know the function of screw is to hold up the object. This camera has got different screw inside it. Let me show you. Now, my pupils, as you can observe, you can see different screws. We have some in the other side. We have this lens. Also, it's found on a camera. Now, this lens has got a sample of a wheel in which it rotates. As you can observe here, it brings things close. It zooms the image. Another example of a complex machine is this laptop. At home, I know you have laptops, and even at our school you have computers. This one is a complex machine because inside it has got different simple machines such as the RAM, the screws, and many others. Also here I have a television. This one also is a complex machine because inside this television, when you open, you will find several simple machines. But don't open at home, please. My good pupils, when we say complex machine, a good example of a complex machine which we can observe properly, the simple machine found in it is a bicycle. A bicycle is a good example of a complex machine because many of the simple machines are seen, starting with the levers. Where are the levers in this bicycle? We have these handles, we have the brakes. As we said that you remember in class 5, we say we have the first class lever, the second class lever, and the third class lever. Now it's your work to determine when you handle a bike while you are riding or when you are using the brakes, which class of lever is applicable there. The second one, we have the wheel and axle. We have the wheel. This one here is a wheel, and also this is a wheel. And on the middle here we have the axle. It helps to rotate the wheel. This one is the one which makes the movement of your bicycle. We have the pulley. Where is the pulley on this bicycle of mine? As we said that the function of the pulley is to pull things. Now, this one is a bicycle. This chain is an example of a pull. Why? Because it helps to pull the back tire. When you are riding your bicycle, the function of this chain is to pull. So, this one is a good example of a pulley. Also, we have the screw. We said that the screw holds the objects. Now, where are the screws on this bicycle? This bicycle has got many screws which you can observe them. We have many which have tightened this bicycle of ours. We have a lot of screws. My good peoples, there at your home, you can go outside and observe at your bicycle, and you can see many simple machines which are found in it. We have the car. Even cars are a good example of a complex machine which its simple machines are seen properly. My peoples, what are the general advantages of these machines? We have many advantages or the merits of machine. The first one is weighing things. As you know, we have the device which weigh objects. This one are the advantage because you know that these objects contain different kilograms. The second one is driving nails. As you know, the plumbers, the carpenters, they use the hammer to drive nails on the timbers, so it simplifies the work. We have transport and communication. The function of this car, the bicycles, as the machine, they help in transport. We have the cell phones, the computers, which helps in communication. Those are the advantages. We have lifting heavy objects. Those are the function of the pulley to lift heavy objects. They are used to open sealed container. The function of the opener, they help to open the sealed container such as soda. Also, they are used to tight objects. We have the simple and the complex machine which tight objects. And lastly, they help in carrying things. As you saw that the cars help in transport, also they help in carrying the things such as cargoes and we human beings. My peoples, these are a few advantages, but I hope there at home you can discuss and write as many advantages as you can. I have provided different questions about the machine, both the complex and the simple machines, in which you'll do them and I will need the feedback. Also, I would like you do an experiment, you find a bicycle at home, you find a car, and observe the simple machines which, when you combine them together, now will come to form a complex machine. My pupils, I'm still insisting on the issue of corona, that it is there, but we have hope. We know that we will not die. Let us continue taking protection. Keep safe, stay safe. We hope very soon you will come to school and proceed with our learning. Thank you.
To